Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to add onboard date in job page of Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in into Fresa application. Once we log in into the application, this is how our dashboard looks. Now, go to the documentation module. From the documentation module, select the All Jobs menu. Here, give the required details such as date range, from date, to date, and click Submit. Now, all the jobs will be displayed on the screen. Here, select the required job and click the Edit option. On this job page, select the option BL Entry. In the BL Entry form, enter the onboard date and click Save Changes. This is how to add onboard date in job page of Fresa application. Thanks for watching.